Hello, everyone. Over the past few months, I've been testing Microsoft's AI tools during real project work. Not just asking AI questions, but actually seeing where AI genuinely saves time and where it still struggles, and how an experienced project manager should really use it. Today, I'd like to share what I've learned. Part 1. My original expectation. When Microsoft first announced Copilot, I thought, I'll just describe my project and AI will handle everything. Requirements, documentation, testing, project plans, reports, meeting notes, everything. After using it on real projects, I realized that's not how successful AI usage works. Part 2. What I actually tested. Over the last few months, I created several videos while testing different Microsoft AI capabilities. Outlook Copilot. I used Copilot to organize emails and quickly build Outlook rules. Instead of manually sorting mail every day, repetitive work became much easier. Teams Plus Meeting Transcript. One of my favorite features. After meetings, Copilot produced summaries and action items. This saved time writing meeting minutes and made sure nothing important was missed. Microsoft 365 Office Agent. I experimented with letting an AI agent generate Excel files automatically. Instead of building everything manually, I could start from an AI-generated version and refine it. I also explored Planner Agent. AI could help generate an initial project plan from a business objective. Again, not perfect, but a great starting point. Part 3. The biggest lesson. The biggest lesson wasn't about any individual feature. It was about changing my working methodology. At first, I thought AI should do everything. Now I work very differently. I spend time understanding the business. I analyze the requirements. I design the overall solution. Only then do I ask AI to help with specific tasks. For example, writing SQL, generating scripts, reviewing logic, finding optimization opportunities, checking documentation, creating reports, preparing presentations. AI becomes my specialist assistant instead of replacing my own thinking. Part 4. Real project example. Recently, I supported a software development project involving SQL Server. AI helped me create database scripts much faster, review stored procedures, simplify complicated SQL, improve deduplication logic, troubleshoot data issues, tasks that previously took hours, sometimes finished within minutes. But here's the important part. AI didn't replace project experience, it amplified it. Knowing what question to ask is still more important than getting an instant answer. So after months of testing, my conclusion is simple. Don't expect AI to replace your professional judgment. Instead, combine your experience with AI's speed. That's where the biggest productivity gains happen. In future videos, I'll continue sharing practical AI workflows from real project delivery. Not just product demonstrations, but how these tools actually fit into day-to-day work. Thanks for watching.